let's see how to download stock photos in Canva. And for your information, why do people download stock photos from Canva? It's because adding a high quality visuals to their social media posts, blogs, presentations, as well as marketing materials. Also, it enhances their designs with some attractive photos that aligns with their brand identity. So, for you to able to download stock photos from Canva, you just have to follow these instructions. So, first you just have to go to the element section. Once you're in, use the search bar to search for the stock photos that you wanted to generate. So for example, I wanted a stock photos full of money. So I will just type in and just click enter. And then scroll down and onto the photos section, just click the see all to view all the stock photos. So there are a bunch of options that you can download, but you can also filter it by clicking this icon, whether it is a square, vertical, or even horizontal. Also, you can choose whether it is a free plan or if you're using a Canva Pro, you can just download the stock photos with a much higher quality than the free plan, of course. So, after that, you can just drag it down right here. And then as you can see, it provides a high quality of stock photos. Now, you can just download it by clicking the share and going to the download options. And then simply click the download and make sure your file type is in PNG. So, that's how you download stock photos in Canva. See you soon!